Hey folks, Eric here from Kelly's Concept. So we just picked up this 2004 Toyota 4Runner, and this is the 4th gen with 124,000 miles. So I'm going to invite you guys to follow us for the next few weeks as we restore this car. So at first glance, it's not that bad of a shape. This is an SR5 V6 4.0 liter, but as you can see here, there's some discoloration of the molding. So we'll probably go through and repaint that. We'll do a lot of touch up in the next few weeks. You can see here pinstriping is all bad. We're going to be taking all that off. Hood is pretty scratched up too, so I'm going to go through a process of showing you guys how I touch up paint and try to save as much as this is possible. You can see there's multiple deep scratches on the hood itself. Grill is pretty tired. We'll do another video on headlight restoral. It actually looks a lot better on camera than it does in person. It's really yellowed out. Again, lots of body paint nicks and scratches as expected for a 20-year-old car. We'll go through the suspension, show you guys what we need to check on it, see is there any other mechanical issues with the vehicle. Interior wise, not the cleanest, but not the dirtiest. We've seen a lot worse. I'll walk you guys through the video here in the next couple of videos as how I go to restore and clean out these chairs, these seats, the carpets, the steering wheel. We'll probably end up replacing. It's pretty bad. Move on to the back. This is a 3rd row 4Runner. Back jump seats are really small and mostly suited for kids. Lots of stains in the seats. We'll be getting rid of those. Like I said, keep an eye out for my videos. We'll do a stain removal video. Lots of stain in the carpet, spilt coffee, spilt drinks. Typical family car. As I said, mechanically, the car is pretty good shape. I don't see any major oil leaks. It drove fine. This is the 4.0, so it has a timing chain. Does not have a timing belt. It's one of the better Toyota engines. And here are the floor mats. As you can see, they've seen better days. And yeah, we'll get those cleaned up too. All right, we'll go ahead and start her up. Starts right up. I mentioned 124,000 miles. Looks like the only problem we have is the TPMS, so more likely one of the sensors is bad. It's got a cheap radio. We'll probably end up upgrading that and replacing it. Yeah, just a thorough cleaning of it, and just follow, like and subscribe, guys, as we go through and restore this car back to its former glory days. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to continue to receive video notifications as we restore this vehicle.